Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year.
Where are we going?
We're going to have a coffee and then we're going to head down to the harbour and watch the fireworks whilst we're having dinner.
Now listen, what we just did, we just came into the city, drove straight in here, found a parking spot, which is unheard of, and now we're just walking. How cool is that?
That's it. It was meant to be.
Happy New Year! George Street in the middle of the road.
There's not that many people yet.
Not yet. But look at this, we're right in the middle of the road of George Street, and it's New Year's Eve, and there's a lot of people starting to gather now, and we're really looking forward to a great year, aren't we?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Let's party. So what is it? A didgeridoo, a koala bear,
Boomerang.
a boomerang.
Yeah, let's go to the souvenir shops open.
Yeah, well they're all open. And you know,
Maybe some koalas.
but when's Chinese New Year? Is it this year or next year? It's next
We're
year.
not Chinese.
Mate, how can it be New Year? It's next year. 2012. I mean, they use the same calendar.
Anyway, the crowds are coming now.
Heaps of people and a lot of toilets. A lot of toilets, yeah. If you want to go to the toilet, this is where you go. Isn't that right? Yeah. You want to go to the toilet, honey?
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
You got to go. Tickets?
Yeah, I've got tickets.
That's ticket. You need tickets to get through here.
Down to the crowd and find our table.
See, we're getting you personally escorted now. How cool is this? Location, location, location.
So, Con,
Yes, honey.
what's that there next to you there? What's
It's a
that?
special present for me.
Oh, what is it? Open it
Have
up.
a quick look. Oh, I look pretty good.
What
It's
is
a
it?
new car. Hey, it's party hat.
Ah, very good, very good. What else?
Glow stick. A holiday for two to the Bahamas. And this.
Oh, and that's for when we go to the trip to Hawaii. Maybe it's
Happy New Year from Con and Nikki, January 1st, 2012. If you like our stuff, subscribe, thumbs up and comment. See you guys, bye.